Hi mamas, my name is Sammy Kadak and I'm a perinatal pelvic floor physiotherapist, currently pregnant with my third baby and I'm 30 weeks at the moment. I wanted to just tell you a little more about this belly band I've been trying out. So I got it from Ella Bella Maternity and it's the KeaBabies Maternity Support Belt. It's actually very comfortable, and when it's under clothing, it's quite discreet. So there's not much of an outline that can be seen under your clothes, which is nice. So a lot of people ask me for recommendations on belly supports, and I'm actually really enjoying this one. So it's quite affordable, which was fantastic. It's comfortable to wear and it's easy to get on and off. Abdominal supports like this can just help to deload some of the joints in the pelvis, the lower back, by supporting the belly. And what I found lately, because maybe it's a third time around or just this pregnancy, but if I'm a bit more active, my belly is just constantly tight. So that kind of tense Braxton Hicks kind of feeling, but it's just on for the whole time. And having this abdominal support on actually helps to take off a lot of that load, which then allows me to clean the kitchen, load the dishwasher, chase around after the kids or pick them up from school without being quite so exhausted and uncomfortable. There's also some thought around if you have quite a significant diastasis, so abdominal separation from a previous pregnancy, and now you're heading into a subsequent pregnancy, that when there's a lot of softness, baby can sit a little more forward in the belly and less in the pelvis. So potentially an abdominal support just like this one, where it sits under the bump, can help pull baby back in to be more aligned over the pelvis, can actually help with a spontaneous labor, because you need that pressure of baby's head on the cervix in order for labor to get started. So I'll show you how to get it on and off. It's quite a simple, just Velcro fastening. So you can take it off there, and I'll pop it on over the top so that you can see. So it's just one long piece of material, and then this thicker part is going to go under your belly. So coming to line the base of the band up with around the top of your pubic bone. This is going to sit under the belly. And then fastening one on top of the other. It doesn't need to be super tight. Sometimes too much compression can feel like a little more pressure or tension through your lower back. That's what it does for me. Other people find that a bit more of a snug fit feels really good for them. So you will have to experiment and see what feels best for you. The other nice thing about this is that it's actually quite comfortable whether you're standing or sitting. So even if I was to sit down and hang out on the floor with my little ones, it's not digging in to my belly, and it still feels like it's giving a nice little supportive hug there. So yeah, that's the KeaBabies Maternity Support Belt from Ella Bella, and I'd give it a thumbs up. It's actually comfortable, affordable, easy to use, and can help to relieve a lot of that strain or tension through your lower back or around the pelvis, and supporting the belly, especially through these later stages of pregnancy.